guys, and welcome back to my YouTube channel. My name is Kelly. Hi, if you're new. Today, as you guys might be able to tell by the title down below, I am sharing with you guys another bracelet making video, which I'm seriously so excited about. A lot of you guys found me through my original how to make beaded bracelets video, which I'll put a card in case you guys want to go check it out. I will also have it linked down below as well, so you guys can definitely go watch that if you haven't seen it or if you want to see more videos like that. But I thought it'd be fun to get working on my summer line. I just reopened my Etsy, which is just at Kellyprepster studio. I'll have it linked down below, but I'm seriously so excited because you guys love these bracelet videos. You guys love shopping my Etsy, which means the world to me, and I just want to do like a little behind the scenes video. But I think these videos are super satisfying to watch, but also it's just kind of fun to watch other people make bracelets. So I hope you guys enjoy it. If you're new to my channel, definitely hit that subscribe button down below. I'm doing daily videos for the month of July, which is so much fun, and I would love to have you guys be a part of it and get notified when I upload. But we're just gonna get ahead and get started. In my last studio vlog, I shared with you guys all of my new beads, and I organized them and everything, so I'm really excited about this video. But before we get started, I'm going to open up my iPad and plan out what I want all my bracelets to say. I got my iPad out and I have it just open to notes, and I have like my little pencil. You can do this with pen and paper as well, but I love to brainstorm what I want my bracelets to say, like what I want the words to say beforehand, because I like to pull out all of the words first and then match colors. You guys will see in this video, but I think it's really helpful. I've been getting a lot of questions because a lot of you guys have been watching that older video recently on how I come up with these ideas, and it's basically I'll just take like words that are trending or just kind of like seasonal words. Like right now I might do summer or something like that, just because it's summertime here. So I'm just gonna come up with a few ideas and write them down, and then I'll share with you guys what I come up with once I have them all done. Okay, correction, my Apple Pencil is dead, so we're just gonna type them out. I came up with my list. It wasn't as fun as writing it out like since I typed it, but it's still such a fun list. So the bracelets that I want to make today, and I have them, are summer, that girl, because I feel like that whole like that girl thing's going on, so it's kind of like trendy. Hot girl, because hot girl summer. Preppy, sunshine, classy, ILYSM, I love you so much. Love ya, XOXO, since Gossip Girl's releasing. I think it's actually coming out tonight, which is so cool. Go getter, you can, and be kind. So kind of like a motivational summertime upbeat vibe. So I'm going to get all my letters out. I have all of them, hold on. I have all of my letters organized in these containers. So I feel like I might get a few questions on it because these did not come in these containers. So I have gone through so many beads just from making beaded bracelets and just kind of been doing this for a while and selling them. So I had some extra containers, and I've been buying the alphabet beads in those little baggies, and I love having them organized. So I just had an empty one and alphabetized all of them, which has been really helpful. So they're super duper organized. I like being like over the top organized with this stuff just because it makes it so much easier and it's not chaotic, so you don't have to look for every letter. And I also have this tray that used to come on the old beads. They started switching to these cases that don't have it, and I like to make my beads go across, and I will write out all the letters on here. These are about 7 inches across. I always get a lot of questions on that because that's how long I make my bracelets. So I'm going to pull out all the letters and spell out all of these on this tray. Then I have an extra tray that we're going to make the actual bracelets on. We're going to pick out all the colors. It's going to be so much fun, but I'm going to pull all of these words out. When I do this, I'm going to put my AirPods in. That way you guys can hear all the beads, but that way like I'm not have to be super quiet. guys, so I just finished writing them all out. I'm going to show them to you real quick. I think they're so cute. So we have XOXO, Summer, That Girl, Hot Girl, Preppy, Be Kind, Classy, Sunshine. Oops, this one fell over. There we go. You Can, Love Ya, Go Getter, and I Love You So Much. So I'm going to close these guys up because we don't need any more letters. Oh my goodness, can I do this one-handed? There we go. Maybe. I'm scared these are going to spill all the time because that would be such a hot mess. Just kind of put them in here. But it helps having these so organized. And then we're going to open this guy up and pick out all the colors that match this. Personally, my favorite color is like this pretty pink. I love all of these because they're like more crystally. Then we have mattes, we have pearlies, we have glitter, we have neon. These are like more metallic, and then these are just like the really bold colors, which aren't listed. I have some friendship bracelets I need to list on Etsy as well, but I'm gonna pick out all the colors for this, and I'm really excited. Like this yellow definitely has to go for Sunshine. Like I can't not make that one yellow. So I'm super excited to get working on these. This part you definitely get to be like so creative and pick out all the colors. So I picked out this really pretty like rosy pearl color for XOXO, the sparkly orange one for Summer because I feel like that would look so cute with the yellow for Sunshine, and Summer and Sunshine I think go really well together. I picked out this like tan color for That Girl because I feel like that's that color of that aesthetic. I picked out like this little pearly orange color for Hot Girl, like a flame. Purple for Preppy just because I've been loving purple lately. Full blue like crystally one for Be Kind. Yellow glittery for You Can. Pink crystally one for Love Ya because of love I think of pink. I picked out green for Go Getter just because I feel like green's such like a color for like, inspiration. And then this beautiful oops hot pink color for I Love You So Much. And then I picked out this like pearly white for Classy, and I just feel like they all fit really well. So now we're gonna take out, there we go, some stretchy cord and use the second tray to start beading them all along. Hey guys, I just finished making all of my summer line. I'm gonna lay them out and share them with you guys, and I want to know, as the question of the day, which one is your favorite? Which one would you pick? Which they are going to be listed on my Etsy very soon, and it's going to be so much fun. So I'm gonna lay them out real quick and show you guys. My favorite's definitely either Classy or Love Ya, but I'm going to start over here. So we have Summer, Hot Girl, Classy, XOXO, Go Getter, That Girl, Preppy, Sunshine, You Can, Love Ya, Be Kind, and I Love You So Much. So super cute. I will be working on getting these listed on my Etsy ASAP, so definitely check out my Etsy. It's linked down below, but I need to get editing this video so I can get it up today. And also, if you're a Gossip Girl fan, the new episode's on, I think, HBO Max tonight. I'm not watching it tonight because I've heard rumors that it's coming out once a week, like each episode, so I'm gonna wait till they're all ready and released, but I'm seriously so excited to watch it. Be sure to give this video a big thumbs up if you guys like Gossip Girl. I just hope you guys enjoyed this video. Thank you so much for watching, and if you haven't already, definitely hit that subscribe button down below, and I'll see you guys back here tomorrow with my next daily video. Bye guys.